Alright, we're back from the doorbell here. And we're made it. Got this guy off, which is the little cover. And got all our screws out. And now here's our replacement screen. You can see the little strap with some plug-in wires. Looks like when they put mine together, they kind of pinched it through here. And I bet that was my whole problem with the screen. So I'm going to try to pull that out. Tight little guy. Pull out this little board. Seems like it's flapping in the wind. Just lay that over, I guess. This might be a little tricky getting this guy out. There we go. Yeah, that thing looks pretty kinked up there. And to get the screen off there, it looks like there's a couple little tabs here and here. I think I'm going to try to bend one out of the way just a little bit. You can pretty much see how it goes together. Looks like I'm going to have to bend them both a little bit. There we go. Oh, there it is. Oh, that's going to be a nightmare getting in there. There's my screen, screwed up. Looks like they wrapped some of this in some plastic to protect the screen. We'll leave that on there for the moment. Try to fudge that in there. I don't know if this little sticker's supposed to come off or not. I don't know, but I just took it off. Don't smoke, it's bad for you. That'll be the next video of how to quit smoking. Just gonna slide that through there. Hopefully I can bend this around and get it plugged in without tearing too much more apart. You can see it goes right inside of this little groove. A pair of tweezers or needle nose might be handy, but I think I'm gonna get it. Make sure it's in there pretty good. Was able to do it without any special tools there. Let's see if there's any plastic. I'm going to say there's no plastic on the inside, but there's some plastic on the outside. You'll see the two little prongs here. Is it one or two? One little prong goes underneath that tab, and these two little hooks that I'm gonna kind of pry out on to lock this screen in place. I didn't bend them very far, but I'm going to just tighten them up just a little bit. Peel off my protective screen. Put my little board back in place. And looks like there's a little titty sticking out right there. Drop the screwdriver. I'm going to assume this little titty goes into this hole. There's a little hook tab that goes into this slot. And that's just where it goes when you get this together. Make sure there's nothing special like this piece of plastic that needs to go on here. I'm going to assume this is some kind of screen protector. It's a clear plastic lens. A gasket that did not come in my kit. That needs to be sealed or it'll get dust behind there.